All right, I'm back. So for this video, I want to get into this last zone where we're actually taking action, and I think this needs to be more risk oriented. So this will basically be a place to uh, end the due diligence with a strategy and a stock that's been figured out and filtered to, and then you can then chat about the risk and reward ratios uh, and figure out the best execution. For the actionable configuration here. So yeah, just to review, right now we can basically search the web for the stocks using Claude 4. We can chat with that back and forth. We can then take those, say we get a list of the best stocks of the summer or something, or best commodities this week. I mean, it's whatever you want. You can come here and compare stocks. So you can compare up to like 5, and it'll give you analysis on each one. You can then do an analysis on a single stock once you compare, or if you just want to come straight to this zone and compare whatever you want. After that, you can bring it over to the strategy view and as well chat with it and come up with strategies, swing trade, day trade, position, or options. The options isn't that integrated yet. That's going to be part of 2.0 for a version of this. Right now, I just want to get the due diligence and the day trading simulation good on this. And then after you figure out your strategy, you'll end up here in the action zone where we will then execute a paper trade that'll go over to the portfolio and the position. That way we can start the second half of this application, which is the simulation and paper trading. So yeah, so for this video, I want to get the action good, and then I want to have it be able to execute the trade and hopefully bring over bring over the correct state to these portfolio and positions. We might not even, yeah, I mean, we'll see. There might be some redundancy in between these three. Okay, so let's get to it. Here we go. What do we need? We'll bring the strategy, the analysis, that we basically need to bring all of them. The action, search, compare, and then we need to bring in zones, zone manager, action, search, compare. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, let's see if we can do it. I want to now update the view for the where's action zone? We have it in here, right? Yes, okay. Action zone view. Do the same treatment we did to the other zones. See if we get close with that. Chat-based interface, okay. If it gives me an updated route and an updated TSX file, we're should be pretty good. Let's see what we get. Chat-based interface follows the same conversational pattern as the other zones. Enhanced context, tracks portfolio state conversation history, and recent actions. Okay, I had to do that off camera. I fixed quite a bit of that. Follow-up detection, that's always problematic. Okay, AI-powered responses for contextual planning. Okay. Okay, let's see if this is close. Okay. A couple TypeScript errors and an undefined variable. Okay. Where a function is called and never used. Okay. After all that debugging, I think we got to a place we can test. Okay. Let's see. Oh, cool. Maybe. Yeah, this isn't. Hold on. There we go. Wait. I lost it. Lost the chat interface. The action zone. Keep the form for manual input, but put the chat interface treatment back in. Yeah, it had it and then it lost it. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's not right. I want to do a quick test and just see what we're at. Well, that's always good. Hold on, let's try it again. Okay, here we go. So that's still going at least. Okay, good. Why did the winner score higher? Even though it tells me right there. Based on the quantitative analysis versus Tesla. Okay, so we're still getting in there. Okay. So go to analyze, we start analysis. Still printing over there. Okay, cool. So we still get a huge chart and analysis back. Cool. Okay. Let's go to create strategy. Let's do, should I do a swing trade or options strategy with 100K? That's not right. I fixed that, I thought. That's disappointing. For MSFT. Let's see if it. Okay. Trading strategy. Okay. Swing trading. Entry points. Okay. What about an options strategy. I'm trying to keep it vague to see if it has the context awareness. Okay, cool. Based on your Microsoft context and $100,000 budget. Okay, cool. So that works. Execute strategy, and now we're back here. Okay. Let's apply these changes and see what happens. God, it was so long. Let's see. This is probably gonna break. Okay. I want to know risk management. Check my position sizing and risk analysis for this trade before we execute. Sorry, I encountered an error. Okay, that's awesome. Doesn't even look like we're getting much in there. God, the red is pretty brutal. What do we got in the terminal here? Failed. Okay. Okay, let's see if this fixes it. Okay. Let's restart this. Second. See if we can just. Yeah, I didn't think it would. Okay, let's start over. Hold on. Okay, let's do Tesla by. Okay. Yeah, it's not working. Oh. Yeah, we have a problem in the API. You don't need to explain it. I've seen environment variables. What the fuck? Okay. I don't know. Looks like we got them pretty clear right there. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's see. You guys are nuts. I have the Anthropic API key set up. Okay. What is empty string? Yeah, that's stupid. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. Still losing it. I don't think it should be this hard. Okay, let's try this again. All right, let's see. Okay, risk assessment. Oh, this is cool. So if we go here, oh wow, yeah, it's in there. It's in there. July 29th at 10 o'clock. Yeah, hour till jujitsu. Okay, that is really cool. That is really, really cool. One more time. I mean, what if you do risk management? Okay, so let's see what that does. Okay, risk analysis. Action plan, I don't know. Suggested position, cap individual positions at 10%. Okay. So this is, so that is like a general risk allocation. Based on my portfolio. Let's see if it can answer that. The red styling is kind of fun. I don't know, it's kind of, okay. Wow. Okay. So it doesn't know about the other ones. I don't even know. Okay, so portfolio. Yeah, we did have 10,000. Oh, wow. Okay, so those were correct because these are at zero and that was at 10,000. We have 90 grand left. Wow, very cool. Okay. So that seems like that seems pretty workable for now. I think for once I'm not going to do a 45-minute to an hour and a half long video, and now we have a semblance of getting through the chain of events here. We can discover, we can compare, we can analyze the results of the compare. We can go straight here and analyze a stock. We can then strategize on a stock. And now we can take action, and through natural language, we can, uh, let's see if we can do sell 50 shares or 50%. See if it can do that. And then we'll close it up. Okay. Cash expected increase is now 5,000. Sell 50 shares. Okay. Okay. So if we go here, that doesn't seem right. Positions, average price, whatever. We'll figure that out later. For now, we were able to, you know, get this working somewhat. The next thing to do is to tile this together and then get the portfolio and the positions and the history awareness and state one-to-one with what's going on in the stock search analysis views. So that'll be it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.